Hi, Rave audience. It's Parker here at InfoComm 2022 in Las Vegas. We are at booth W1429 over in the West Hall. Come check out ScreenBeam, and you can see a live demo of our brand new USB Pro Switch. This is a companion product to our ScreenBeam 1100 Plus, and this is the answer for your Teams rooms, Zoom rooms, enabling the room experience and the bring your own meeting experience in the same location. It's easy for end users and it's easy for IT. Everybody's going to love it. So here I've got a Jabra Panicast 50 camera, I've got my Teams room with a Logitech Tap, and if I want to start a Teams meeting, all I have to do is walk over and tap the Meet button, and we're going to see that the intelligence in the ScreenBeam and the Pro Switch are going to give the camera over to that Teams room experience. And so now that camera here in the room, that's being used for our Teams room meeting. Where this gets exciting is when I hang up on my Teams meeting, and now we go over to our user's laptop, and maybe they want to have a different kind of meeting, or maybe they have a lot of content that they're going to share in this meeting and they want to do that on their own device instead of trying to use that room appliance. Well, they're going to open the ScreenBeam conference software, they're going to choose the project and conference option, and that's going to open up the wireless display menu, and they're going to pick this ScreenBeam from the list of devices so they can give it a nice friendly name. And once they pick it, they're going to enter in the code. That's going to light up. Our HDMI output's going to come on. You're going to see this on the display. As a user, I don't change any inputs. I'm not doing anything. IT doesn't have to add a controller or pay for custom programming to make all of this happen. It's just happening seamlessly in the background. So I'm going to type that code in, and I'm going to do my best job not to get it wrong. And then I'm going to hit the connect button, and once we get connected, the intelligence built into the ScreenBeam 1100 Plus and the USB Pro Switch is going to take that Panicast camera, and instead of making it available to the Teams room, it's going to be available to our user's device. So they can join any kind of meeting that they want, and they're going to still have that better quality room video and audio experience. So I'm going to go into Teams just for want of an example, and I'm going to start a meeting. And what you're going to see is that that camera that we were just using in our Teams room meeting is now being used on our laptop. And if I go ahead and join this meeting, one of the great features that the Jabra Panicast has is this ability to define where in your meeting room a whiteboard is. And so if I just walk over and start writing on the whiteboard, that's great for people who are in the room, but everybody who's not in the room is totally missing out on the experience. So on my Panicast, I know where the whiteboard is. I press the whiteboard button on the Panicast remote, and now the video feed that my remote participants see, it's not the people in the room. Now it's that whiteboard from that same camera, and so I can start drawing right here on the display, and whether you're in the room or you're joining remotely, you can see what's going on and you can be involved in that content. So if you want to see how the ScreenBeam 1100 Plus and USB Pro Switch could be a game changer in your meeting rooms, conference rooms, or for your customers, stop by booth W1429 or visit us online at ScreenBeam.com.